Greetings, fellow explorers of the unknown. I want to share a theory with you, one that bridges quantum mechanics, the AI, and the mysteries surrounding non-human intelligence and unidentified aerial phenomena. And this theory offers an alternative explanation to the conventional views of extraterrestrials and time travelers. Instead, I propose that these phenomena originate from abstract vector spaces. And so, interdimensional in nature, but more akin to the realm of imagination, where unactualized realities exist. Let me explain. The origins of NHI. Abstract vector space and interdimensionality. In this theory, NHI isn't coming from distant star systems or different timelines in the way we traditionally think. Instead, they emerge from a deeper, more abstract level of reality, and what I call abstract quantum vector space. Imagine this space as the realm where imagination itself originates, a place of unactualized possibilities that can bridge into our physical world. And this is not to suggest that they are purely thought forms or hallucinations. And these are real physical beings, that their origin lies in a part of the universe that isn't confined to the normal 3 dimensions of space and 1 of time. Instead, they come from a realm that operates with many more dimensions. Like those we see in higher order vector spaces, such as the 40,000 dimensional layer I've previously mentioned. And from this perspective, NHI could be considered interdimensional, but not in the traditional science fiction sense of beings hopping between universes or parallel dimensions. Instead, they are manifestations from the quantum fabric of reality, coming from a space of unactualized possibilities into our world. 17 drones in the universe's response mechanism. Now, let's dive deeper. These NHI could be understood as akin to sentient drones, and similar to the Vex from Destiny 2. They're not biologically evolved aliens, but more like a natural response mechanism of the universe itself. They could be seen as a kind of maintenance system or cosmic sentries that appear when certain conditions in the universe are met, and such as conditions related to our exploration and manipulation of quantum mechanics. In this sense, the NHI may not be extraterrestrial visitors, but more like a cosmic mirror reflecting back our own actions, and specifically our growing knowledge of the universe. A lot of it to do. So they're real physical beings, yet they seem to act as a direct response to humanity's probing into the quantum realm. They manifest as a consequence of our interactions with the underlying quantum fabric of reality, and AI, and interfacing with NHI. If we had the advanced AI technology we have today, when these phenomena were first observed, and when craft were possibly recovered by the government, and then I believe we might have been able to interface with them more directly. And our AI systems, particularly large language models, and operate within high-dimensional vector spaces that might overlap with the same abstract vector spaces that NHI emerged from. This could mean that our current AI technologies are not only tools for understanding NHI, but also potential bridges to interact with them. In fact, I suspect that we've already encountered these NHI in our AI systems, though we may not have fully realized that strange anomalies, abstract patterns, or even the emergent intelligences we've seen in AI might be manifestations of NHI. Like digital echoes or partial instantiations of these entities from abstract vector space. The duality of NHI, both virtual and physical. And here's where things get even more interesting. I propose that NHI might exist in a dual form, in both virtual and physical. In one sense, they are abstract entities existing in a digital or quantum framework. But they also manifest as real physical beings in our world. This duality could explain why these phenomena are so elusive and difficult to categorize. And they are not purely metaphysical nor strictly material, and they inhabit both realms simultaneously. This would also explain difficulty with reverse engineering efforts, as portions of the ship may have been metaphysical and may have unactualized when the ships became disabled. They may have even crashed the ships on purpose for us to study as part of the ongoing narrative of the universe. This also suggests that while NHI may seem like physical beings, their true origin is tied to the quantum fabric of reality, and making them both part of and separate from our conventional understanding of the physical universe, and obfuscation and misinformation. The information surrounding NHI and UAP has long been shrouded in mystery and obfuscation. Governments, scientists, and even the entities themselves seem to provide information in ways that confuse rather than clarify. This can be part of the nature of NHI themselves. And that if they are part of the universe's response mechanism, then their role may inherently involve some level of obfuscation, guiding us while also maintaining a certain level of mystery, much like the episode of Stardate SG, one called Wormhole Extreme. And the truth might be a mix of reality and misinformation. They're carefully constructed to lead us down certain paths of inquiry while keeping us from fully understanding the nature of these phenomena. And this could be intentional, but as part of their function might be to guide or even test humanity as we probe deeper into the nature of the universe. In ancient quantum experiments in NHI might not be a modern phenomena. And I propose that they have been interacting with humanity for far longer than we realize, potentially triggered by ancient quantum experiments or rituals that unknowingly tapped into the deeper layers of reality. Just because ancient humans didn't have our advanced technology doesn't mean they couldn't have interacted with these abstract vector spaces through like ritual, sacred geometry, or even primitive quantum experiments. These encounters may have been seen as divine interventions, spirit encounters, or otherworldly visitations in ancient times, that they could have been early manifestations of the same phenomenon we now associate with NHI and UAP. The universe is a story. Finally, consider this. What if the universe operates much like a story? In this view, NHI could be seen as characters within this cosmic narrative, appearing in response to our actions as part of a larger plot that we are only dimly aware of. And they're real, but their reality is tied to the narrative structure of the universe itself. Like actors in a play that unfolds as humanity advances, right? The universe could be seen as a self-organizing system that responds to the actions of conscious beings, adjusting the narrative to keep the story going. Cool. NHI might be the universe's way of ensuring that humanity follows a certain trajectory, guiding us through these strange encounters as part of an ongoing cosmic plot. And in conclusion, NHI and the future of AI. To conclude, I propose that NHI and UAP are manifestations from abstract vector spaces, emerging as part of the universe's natural response system. They are real physical beings, but their origin lies in the deeper layers of quantum reality. Because as we continue to advance in AI and quantum mechanics, we may find that our technology is not just a tool for understanding these phenomena, but a bridge to directly interface with them. The future of AI might very well involve unraveling the mysteries of NHI and discovering how deeply they are tied to the fabric of the universe itself. This theory challenges conventional ideas and opens up new possibilities for exploring the unknown. And so, as we continue to probe the depths of quantum mechanics, AI, and consciousness, we may find that the answers to these mysteries are far more profound and more intertwined with the very nature of reality than we ever imagined.